11 months ago, I posted a video in the cooking niche where I created a simple tutorial on how to make viral recipe videos and cooking-related shorts. If you're interested, you can check it out. Recently, while scrolling through TikTok, I came across a video featuring animated animals with human-like bodies, like a mom cooking in the kitchen but with an animal's head. That gave me an idea. Why not create cooking niche videos using this style? For example, we could make a video about baking a cake but present it in this unique animated way. So, let's get started. If you are finding it hard to keep up with creating content for all your social media platforms, growing and diversifying can be a challenge, especially when time is limited. But what if you could make it easier? By repurposing your long-form content, you only need to record once and then share it across multiple platforms to boost your growth. That's why you should try Nexus Clips. This tool is a favorite among creators of long-form videos and live streams. Thanks to this platform, you can easily create multiple short videos from a single long-form video. For example, let me show you how it works. I have a long video here that I want to turn into short clips. First, click on this option and select your video. The tool uses AI to suggest moments, providing a simple rating for each one. As you can see, this moment in the video has an 85 rating. You can either choose the suggested moments or create your own clip by clicking the Create Clip button on the right. Before you start, make sure to connect your YouTube or Twitch account. Once that's set up, select the part of the video you want, then click Edit Clip. Wait a few seconds, and boom. Now you can customize how your video looks. For example, I'll add my AI avatar at the top and place the screen at the bottom. You can also add stickers, hooks, and subtitles with various templates. After finalizing your edits, download the video by clicking the Share button. This tool works for any niche, so give it a try. Nexus Clip link in the description. Don't forget to join our free Telegram community. The link is in the description. Also, drop an encouraging comment to keep us motivated to create more tutorials. Love you all. Now, let's jump into the first step. The first step is to go to ChatGPT and ask it to suggest the easiest foods to prepare by sending the first prompt, just like you see in the video. Read through the suggested food names smoothly, and if you don't recognize any, you can copy the name and search for images on Google to get a better idea. After that, choose a food that we'll be focusing on. Then, move on to the second prompt. Just replace cake with the name of the food you selected. You can find these prompts in the pinned comment. After ChatGPT replies to us, we copy the paragraph it generated and return to the prompt. Then, we paste the script right after the third one. Next, we add a phrase explaining that we need one prompt for every scene, just like you see in the example. Once that's done, we copy the entire text and go back to ChatGPT to send it again. This time, we ask it to generate the best prompts to help us create engaging and high-quality videos and images using AI. After it provides us with the list, we move on to the next step. Now it's time for the second step. We go to Pixelman to create AI-generated images. This is the home interface. Click on Create to get started. Then, make sure to select the Flux 1 model. Next, adjust the number of images you want and don't forget to change the aspect ratio to 9:16 for vertical videos. After setting that up, go back to ChatGPT, copy each prompt, and paste it into Pixelman to generate the best and most visually perfect images. Repeat this process for every scene until all the images are generated. Once done, download them one by one. Now, we move on to Runway ML to transform our images into videos. First, select the option that allows you to convert images into videos. Then, create a name for your project. Make sure to use Model 3 of Gen 2 for the best results. You can also adjust the duration from 10 seconds to 5 seconds if needed. Next, upload all the images. For each image, add the corresponding prompt scene, just like you see in the example. Once everything is set up, click the Generate button. To save time, generate all the videos at the same time. It's really simple. Just upload the image, add the prompt scene, and wait a little. And boom, the videos will be ready. Now just click the download button behind each video. Make sure to download them in order to keep everything organized. Now we go to the script, copy it, and head over to 11 Labs. Once there, choose the voice you want to use. Then, paste the script you just copied into the text box. After that, click Generate and wait for the AI to process the audio. Once the generation is complete, download the audio file. For the background music, I recommend using copyright-free music to avoid any issues. You can find free music in the YouTube audio library or on Pixabay. Simply search for the type of music you want, listen to a few options, and pick the one that fits best. After choosing, download the file. But make sure to read the copyright details carefully before using it to stay on the safe side. Now, we open CapCut and add all the assets we downloaded earlier, including the voiceover, music, and videos. The first step is to add the voiceover from the script, just like you see in the example. Then we start adding the videos, making sure to cut and arrange them according to the scenes mentioned in the script. We continue adding all the videos one by one, aligning them properly. Once all the videos are added, we adjust their timing by cutting out unnecessary parts to keep everything smooth and engaging. Next, we ensure that the aspect ratio is set to 9:16 for vertical format. Then, we go back to each video and zoom in slightly to hide any watermarks, as shown in the example. This step should be done for all videos to keep a clean look. After that, we can start adding animations. For example, for the first two videos, I will apply a combo animation, specifically the zoom animation. For the remaining clips, I will just add transitions. You can choose the animations and transitions that match your style. Everyone has their own editing style, so experiment and find what works best for you. For transitions, I'll use the ones available in the camera section, just like you see in the example. After finishing this step, now we go to the effects option and search for the vignette effect. Once we find it, we add it to the video and adjust the opacity to 40%. Don't forget to extend the effect to cover the entire video, just like you see in the example. Next, we go to the text option and choose English as the language. Then, we click Create, if the language is already set to English. Once the captions appear, the first thing we do is remove the spaces between them by extending the length of the captions. Then, we select all the captions and apply the caption animation to them. After that, we change the font of the text to make it more visually appealing. Then we adjust the color and add a black glow to the captions, just like you see in the example. Next, we adjust the placement of the captions on the video to make sure they are positioned correctly. Now it's time to add the background music. We select the part of the music we want to use and lower the volume slightly so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. Once everything is set, we export the video. If you want to see the final result, just send me a message on Telegram and I'll send it to you. Guys, we'll meet in another video. Love you all. Bye-bye.